What's good, YouTube? You already know this. It's your girl Emerald, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be putting up my LED light strips. The brand MINGER. I think that's what it say right there. But yeah, so I got two boxes of 32.8 I think inches, and so yeah, I'm gonna be installing them in my room all the way around. So actually I already ordered this brand right here. See that? It's called Day Better, and I only ordered 32.8 feet to go around my room because I thought that was enough, but it wasn't, and it was a horrible brand. I mean, it had no connectors and all that, so I had to order another brand. So I'm finna be putting it. So this is the box. Hold on, I'm opening one that wasn't open already. I already opened one to check it out and see what was in it, but this is one that hasn't been opened. So this is what the box looks like. I don't know if it's blurry or not. I'm trying to see. Look, this. So on this side it says remote control, safety use, colorful lighting, adjust brightness. On the back, da 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 da. Thanks for choosing MINGER. So when you first open the box, so yeah, so then it say like it, share it, and it's like the blue card in there. And so there's a user manual. Y'all can't see worth nothing, but it's a user manual. Some other thing, like some directions. Then there's two silver bags. This is where the LED lights are in. So yeah, there's two silver bags, and I just read it back. That was on top of this white thing, and then you take this off, and there's the cord and remote and stuff. So we have the plug that goes in the wall. This connects to it. You can stick this on the wall if you want to. That's what connects to the beginning of the LED strips. Then they have like some wall tabs to like for the corners and stuff. Y'all can't see them, but try to see if y'all can see them. They got 2 packs of that, and it has some screws in it and stuff like that. So, yeah. Then you have the remote, and then alcohol to just clean off the surface of your wall. There's like, it's like the little hand wipe things, but it's alcohol to wipe off the walls. And I don't really need to do that because I already had some LED strips over there. So yeah. So as you can see, I had started here and I went up my wall, and when I took them off, it ripped the paint. You can see it up there too. It's like white kind of. Let's see if you can see it over there. See it? Yeah. So I'm gonna be starting here, making my way up here, going all the way around here, all the way around and back here and down. It's like over the closet and back here. So yeah. So I'm using this chair to like stand up and reach the corners. So first you get your wire, and this cord is really long. Let's see. So basically I could really plug it up down there and reach it all the way up there and start way up there, but I ain't doing that. I'm gonna let it come up my doorway. So then we're gonna plug this into the white thing right here. So goes here. So now I'm gonna open the bag that it's in. So this is what it looks like. That's the strip of LED, and basically you just, there's tape under it. See that? There's tape under it. As you go, you unpeel it. Okay, I'm already unraveling it, but yeah. So that's how I'm gonna start. First, I'm gonna check and see does it work. I'm gonna check and see do both strips work, and then I'm gonna start applying it on the wall. I don't like unraveling it like before I start. So let me go get the other one and test both of them and see if they work. So I'm gonna use one of these right here, these little corner pieces for that corner above my door. So I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see. Y'all can see that paint peeling too. Okay, so after 45 minutes of figuring out how to connect another one to this, I figured out that you can't connect to. So what I'm gonna do is so it's two little things on that little hold on, let me show you. So for my previous LED light set, I had an extra one of these like adapter things where to plug in the wall. So it's 2 spots for 2 strips of LED lights. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run another one going up and that way, and the same this way. So yeah. How am I gonna get behind my dresser? So I finally got the this, so I got it up my door in this way and this way. So basically I kind of made a big mistake. So I came up and I was gonna go this way, but I decided to go up to the edge and I kind of ripped off some paint. Oh my god, I get trouble. Look, it's so ugly. Oh my god, you can see it from way back here. Oh my god. So I'm gonna go up my wall here and come this way and meet that one, and I'm also go that way with the other strip. So 2 out of 4 strips. Let's see. So basically I have to take the this thing up so I can attach the LED lights strips to the, yeah. nothing I can do about that. Ain't nothing I can do about that. That's ugly, man. Dang, dude. So basically, I broke one by accident. So now we're gonna put the old strip up there and I'm gonna start the new one down here. Okay, so my camera's battery is about to die, but basically had to plug it up here, right there, and I gotta use the old LED strip to yeah. So if this video ends early, it's because my camera died, but yeah. Alright y'all, so I'm back. Basically what I had to do was I had to run a wire right here, and basically, so it's right, hold on, dang, let me, it's right here and it goes behind my bed and that behind the picture frame up there, see it? Okay, so I'm back. So basically what I did was I ran a cord from here behind my bed and up there to get here, and I went this way and got there. But we ran into something, a problem. So it's there, but right when it got there, it messed up, and now that's red, and it only turns red or green. I'm so angry. So basically, let me show you why. So blue doesn't work. Blue doesn't work. So basically, it's blue everywhere else, but there, it's just off. Red works everywhere. Green does. But now let me show you how I look when it flash. Don't mind my bedroom. I gotta clean that now because it's LED stuff. Look at that. That only turns red or green. This one isn't in sync with this one. So it's just all out of whack. So I can only use red or green fully. But, I mean, that's as good as it's gonna get because I ain't gonna order no more because that's gonna be too much money. But, yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And yeah, so let me hold on before I end this video. Let me tell y'all, MINGER, it's a good brand, but as far as like reach, you gotta make sure you start it somewhere good, cause that's ugly. You see, you walk in my room, this how I look. You can see that cord right there. Oh yeah, with that being said, make sure you start it somewhere like that one. That looks really good. But yeah, so yeah, don't order Day Better. Day Better is horrible. Never order Day Better. But yeah, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Till the next video. Peace.